In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete product Lightspeed Retail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can safely remove an item from your catalog. Start in your Lightspeed dashboard and navigate to Catalog, then Products. This is the central hub for your inventory, and it's where you'll manage and delete individual items. If you work with a large catalog, don't scroll endlessly. Use the search bar or the built-in filters to narrow things down. Searching by product name, SKU, or brand works well, and filters like category, vendor, or status can quickly surface the exact item you're looking for. When you find the product, click its name to open the full details. In some views, you can expand the product's row to preview details without leaving the list. Either approach is fine. The key is to verify you're looking at the correct product before you proceed. Take a moment to confirm important identifiers, like the title and SKU, and if the product has variants, make sure you're focusing on the correct item. Next, locate the Delete or Delete Product button. Depending on your layout, it may appear at the top right of the page or inside an Overflow or Actions menu, but it will be clearly labeled. Click it to start the removal process. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. Confirming will permanently remove the product from your catalog, including its retail price, inventory levels, and other associated details. This action cannot be undone, and the product will no longer appear in searches or be available at checkout. If you're cleaning up your catalog, this is exactly what you want. But make sure it's intentional before you proceed. If everything looks right, confirm the deletion. After a moment, return to the products list and refresh or run the same search to verify that the item is gone. If you still see it, double-check filters and spelling, then try again. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see a delete option, your user role may not have permission to remove products, so you might need to check with an account admin. If the system flags that the product is tied to open transactions, like purchase orders or work orders, clear those links first. And if you want to keep a record for reference while removing it from active use, consider alternatives like marking the item inactive or using an archive option if available. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a product in Lightspeed Retail.